Let me show you the way I make my own basmati jollof. So I have some cooking oil. I've added some onions. I'll fry that for a bit. I'll be adding some ginger garlic paste. I'll stir that. Then I'll go ahead to add some of my tomato paste. Guys, you can use any tomato paste of your choice. I'll be using this sachet tomato paste because I want this thing to be as simple and straightforward as possible. So I'll fry that for a bit. I'll fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll make sure that it fries very well because of course you need to get rid of the tomatoey paste taste. Then I'll be adding my fresh pepper. I'll be adding that as well into the mix with my tomato paste, and I'll stir that very well. I'll be mixing the fresh pepper alongside with the tomato paste. So the tomato paste was already frying previously, then the fresh pepper too will fry alongside. I'll make this to fry for about 5 to 8 minutes at least. Then I'll be adding some meat stock. I decided to add my meat stock at this point. You can decide to add it later on, but I just wanted to add it now so that it fries together. So like I said, I'll allow this to fry for about 5 to 8 minutes, and when I feel that it has fried well enough, I'll be adding all my seasoning, my bay leaves, my thyme, my curry, my salt, and my seasoning cubes. So I'll mix this together very well, and then it will be time for me to add my rice. This is basmati rice that has been washed, not parboiled, just washed basmati rice, and I'll be adding this to my already made stock. I felt my seasoning was not enough, that's why I'm adding more. I'm just going to stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes into the stock. So I'll be adding my rice, and I'm going to stir it very well and make sure that it is well infused with my stock. I'm kind of stir frying it and cooking it in this stock before I will add water. So I'll make sure that this stays for about 2 minutes, then I'll be adding my water, and the water I'll be adding will be very little, not so much, just enough to cook it. Basmati rice cooks very fast and it tends to get soggy if you're not careful. So guys, I covered this up for about 5 minutes, and by that time it was ready or almost done. I added some more onions and some butter. I stirred it carefully with my wooden spatula, and then I covered it up again, and this time covering it up because I wanted it to steam very well. I used my foil, and I also wanted that to trap the smokiness of the rice, and I covered it with the cover, and in no time it was ready. And this is what I have at the end of the day, my yummy basmati jollof. If you like this recipe, kindly thumbs up, kindly share, and please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll be bringing more recipes your way. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay safe. Bye.